Good morning everybody, good morning. So today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be installing some 4D number plates on the car, and if you stay tuned you can find out how you can win your very own set. Right, so I don't know how well you can see this. These little studs, there's two of them holding the number plate on, so these are not actually screws, they're like studs. So what I'm doing is I've got a set of these, and I'm just, they're not tight in the bumper, but just a bit of a pain in the backside, to be honest. I don't know if they're coming out or if they're just spinning. There we go, they are coming out. Also, they are a screw. I apologise, they are a screw, but as you can see, they're just corroded. So we'll do the same on this side. These will be going straight in the bin, is where they'll be going. There we go. Got them off. So there's a number plate now. There we go. It's the front, the rear one off. Now time to get the front one off. So front one looks a bit better. I've got a screw here and one this side. The cap's already come off this one, so we might just be able to get this off now. Look at that. Look at the state of this round there. So I need to take the cap off. So and there we go. Look at the mess. Look at the state of that. Right, so I've got the old number plates off. You saw that behind it where previous number plates have been. The car is absolutely filthy also, so I think what we're going to do is give the car a nice good wash, ready to put that nice new number plates on. So that's what we're going to do. Get the car to one side, wash the car, cue time lapse of me washing the car. Now. While the car dwells behind me, I am actually still using the EZ Car Care Citrus Pre-Wash. I've done a video previously about it and I reviewed the product, and it's an awesome, absolutely awesome pre-wash. It's an awesome product, so go and check that out. But for now, more time lapses, cue them again now. So then the car's now nice and clean, and we're ready to put our nice new number plates, and here they are. So I've gone with a company called Rola Plates. Now I actually contacted Rola Plates and said, look, listen, like I want to buy a set of your plates, and we had a bit of a conversation, and they've actually given me my very own discount code for you guys to use, and the discount code is FTLOCUK. So FT Lock 10. I'll put it on screen now. If you head over there onto their website and you order a set of plates, you put that code in, you'll get 10% off. I just want to say a massive shout out and a thank you to Rola Plates for providing me with these awesome 4D plates, and also for giving my own code and supporting somebody who's trying to get this YouTube up and going. So thank you very much. So we're now going to get these on the car. I've gone for the sticky back option, so I'll stick some pads on it and then we'll stick them on the car. So I've got 2 on, a bit of a marker. We want it about, I hope that's straight. Does that look straight on camera? I hope that's straight. I don't think it is. Let's have a look. What do you reckon, is that straight? Look at that. I'm happy with that. I think they look good. You impressed? Them sticky back things are good. Is that straight? I can't decide. Looks straight to me. I'm happy with that. Right, so the back one's on. We're now going to put the front one on. I'm going to show you what I did. It goes, hopefully the battery will left long enough in the camera for you to watch me. And then push. I'm going to hold it because of the curve in the plate in the bumper. Applying pressure. Still here. I think we've got it. Look at that. Right, so that's it. The plate's now on the car. We've told the DVLA and we've told our insurance. And like I said at the start of this video then, you've now got the opportunity to win yourself a set of 4D plates just like mine from Rola Plates. How we're going to do that is, whatever the thumbnail is for this video will be on my Instagram. So head over to my Instagram now, FTLockUK. It'll be linked in the description. All the details are now. You can enter the competition to win yourself a set of 4D plates or 3D plates. It'll be your choice for your car. Head over to my Instagram now. Follow whatever's in the description. I'll join you on the next one. Thanks for watching.